And friends, minute to minute updates of January 2021 posted by Mercom. So, Tata Power joined hands with Small Industrial Development Bank of India to provide affordable financials. We already given this news in our site, and ITC also planning to meet their 100% of energy from renewable sources by 2030. We also taken these as our news. And Telangana government approved to release 400 millions to Maitra Argya Power and 6 other solar frames towards refunds of state goods and service taxes. And it is also good. And Tata Power announced it take over Western Eastern Supply Company of Odisha. We also seen this. And Central Electricity Authority approves to special purpose vehicle of Eden Renewables and SoftBank Energy to construct transmission lines for 300 megawatts of solar project in Rajasthan. So this is also very good for Borosil Renewables, and which company will get the tender, that company will generate more solar energy. And Telangana government approves a payment of 73 million to 3 solar developments towards refunds. It's very good, friends. And leading electric car manufacturer Tesla, an Indian subsidiary, Tesla India Motors and Energy in Bangalore, the company has named 3 directors. And next thing is National Solar Energy Federation of India wrote to Electricity Department of Rajasthan with comments and suggestions on Rajasthan's Electricity Regulation Commission on their tariff energy policies. So, if Rajasthan also came into renewable energy side, we expect more revenue generation. And friends, going further, Kolkata-based solar module manufacturer Websol Company Systems announced its financial result for the third quarter Q3, and the company reported a 21% growth, friends, Q3 financial year over Q2 financial year. So friends, this is also very good. Compared to previous quarter itself, it given good revenue. And French oils buys 20% stake in Adani, we already seen. And Kerala's finance minister announced 50% reduction in motor vehicle tax for electrics and fuel cell and hybrid vehicles. This is also good initiative taken by Kerala's finance minister for 5 years in the state budget of 2021-22. And friends, Supreme Court of India issued orders placed Punjab and Haryana on Chandigarh's electricity distribution companies privatization. So it's been somewhat negative. I think so many companies are looking to acquire state-owned companies, like Tata acquires Odisha transmission systems. We are expecting some more companies will privatize. And another thing we are going to see, Ola, India's one of the leading mobility platform, announced it has partnered with Siemens to build its upcoming electric vehicle manufacturing facility. And it is also good. And Panasonic Life Solutions India, a wholly owned subsidiary of Panasonic, joined hands with PMI Electromobility Solutions, a manufacturer of zero-emission commercial vehicles, to set up electric vehicle charging infrastructure across 17 cities in India for over 1,000 electric buses. And Adani Gains signed a security purchase agreement with Hindustan Clean Energy and Power Ventures to acquire Spinal Energy and Infrastructure total share capital and securities also. So, and this is also good thing. And overall, friends, we are majorly what we are telling means this 10 years is the time which we can generate lakhs into crores by investing Adani Green Energy, Tata Power and Borosil Renewables and solar based companies, major companies. We will get good revenues, friends. So this is my view. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much.